Breaking news coming in, viewers. The escalation in West Asia is only increasing. Soroka Hospital in Beersheba, the largest hospital in southern Israel, has been hit by Iranian strike. There you can see the effect it has had on the ground. These are the exclusive visuals only with Republic Media Network. Remember, viewers, that this attack is another barrage of missile attacks. A ballistic missile this time has been fired, and that has struck the Soroka Hospital in Beersheba area of southern Israel. These are some heart-wrenching visuals over there, as you can see, as to the kind of effect it has had on the ground. Soroka Hospital in Beersheba, the largest hospital in southern Israel, has been hit by an Iranian ballistic missile that was fired. This is in the Beersheba area. Soroka Hospital, the second largest hospital in the area. In fact, it is the largest hospital in the southern part of Israel. These are the exclusive visuals that we bring you from the ground. The ballistic missile that was fired by Iran has hit the hospital. These are the second set of visuals over there, viewers. As you can see, the first one where we showed the chaos that was caused the moment of the strike and aftermath. You can hear the ringing sound as well, and the complete silence over there in the Soroka Hospital, which is the largest hospital in southern Israel. This is the second set of visuals. The first visual encapsulated the massive outrage that caused the moments after the strike, and now in the second set of visuals you can feel the eerie silence over there as people have run for their life. The medics are responding to the reports of ballistic missiles impact in the central and southern Israel. There are no immediate reports of any injuries. The latest barrage of missiles was larger than the recent salvos that have been fired by the Iranian side. This is the major breaking news and exclusive visuals only with Republic Media Network. The escalation has only increased. Let's listen in to what's really happening there on the ground.
תראו, פה נפל הטיל. תראו את גבול הברזים, תראו את האנשים, תראו את האנשים. תראו.